Ever walked through a museum and wondered what it would be like to own one of those masterpieces hanging on the wall? This isn't just about having a pretty picture above the fireplace. It's a strategic financial game with massive stakes. Let's break down the appeal. First, there's the potential for incredible returns. Unlike stocks that can fluctuate wildly with market news, the value of a truly rare item is often disconnected from the daily economic grind. A Picasso is still a Picasso, regardless of what the S&P 500 did yesterday. This scarcity is the magic ingredient. Think about the 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO. Only 36 were ever made. When one comes up for auction, billionaires line up to get a piece of automotive history, driving the price into the stratosphere. In 2018, one sold for over $70 million. Financial advisors always say don't put all your eggs in one basket. When the stock market crashes, their art collection might hold its value or even increase. It acts as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. During times of high inflation, the value of cash decreases, but tangible assets like art and gold often become more valuable. And let's not forget the joy dividend. Unlike a stock certificate that sits in a digital account, you can hang a Monet on your wall. You can drive your vintage Bugatti on a sunny day. You can open a bottle of 1945 Domaine de la Romanée-Conti on a special occasion. These assets provide a return on enjoyment that a stock portfolio simply can't match. It's a blend of lifestyle and investment, and that's a powerful combination. It opens doors to an exclusive world of gallery openings, private auctions, and elite social circles. The contemporary art market is incredibly dynamic. The wealthy often invest in emerging artists, hoping to buy their work early before they become famous. It's high risk, high reward. Rare wine and whiskey have become serious investment assets. A single bottle of the Macallan in 1926 sold for almost $1.9 million. Finding the right buyer at the right price can take months or even years. So, what can we learn from all this? While most of us won't be bidding on a Picasso anytime soon, the principles are fascinating. It's a calculated move in the high-stakes game of wealth preservation and growth, played by those at the very top of the financial ladder.